Hey guys, you got Cheeky Saver here, and I know some of you are having trouble with your Java, and if you have Windows and you're using Google Chrome, I'm going to help you troubleshoot some of it. We may be able to get you working relatively easily, and it's easier when someone just shows you so you know what to do. You go over to this section here, and you open this on up. Oh my goodness, it worked today. And you go to Tools, and you open your Java console. Mine is open right now. That's what this is at the bottom. And it doesn't show any problems or anything, but this actually isn't usually where the problems are. So we need to open up also our Windows Explorer, because this is the base search engine for a Windows computer. And this is usually where the problem is. So I'm going to show you what that's all about. Okay, when you come into here, this is just an open piece on it. Don't worry about this yet. You come over into this section and you click on this and you hit Manage Add-ons, and that's what this window is right here. Is the Manage Add-ons, and you scroll down your long list of items there, and then you hit this Java, Oracle America Inc., Java, and these, anything that's Java needs to be enabled. Even if you update your system and this is not enabled, it won't be enabled then either. And if it still doesn't work, double check to make sure this is enabled, even though it's not your primary, because this will bugger you up every time. The other thing that could cause a conflict, and that's all it is a conflict, is Firefox can. I've actually prefer the Firefox browser, but I had to stop using it for couponing purposes because every time I turned it on, it kicked off my Java. It turned it off, it disabled it, and I couldn't get it reloaded until I unloaded the whole program and reloaded it back in. I'm not even kidding. I had to do that 2 or 3 times before I caught on that I just needed to stop using the Firefox. Right now that's not happening with my Firefox, and it's never happened with my daughter's, and she has the exact same computer. So go figure. But it is a problem. It can cause that conflict to happen, and I've researched it online and it can happen. So turn off your Firefox completely. Make something else a browser. I've heard that Opera. Opera is the best, that it doesn't have as many conflicts if you need to try a browser. I still prefer Google Chrome, so I'm using that. And it causes a different problem too, so maybe I do need to switch to the Opera. But these two things here get you ready to do the next step. Now I'm just going to close these guys down. As you can see, everything is enabled here. Close them. And we're back here. And I'm going to hit right into the toolbar, Java. Okay, Java and you. That's the right one. It is just Java. It's nothing else. It is the correct site. Please make sure you click on the same thing. You don't want to jeopardize your information. Okay, it says free Java download, but you don't need to do that. Not yet. You check this. Do I have Java? Because this will let you know if you have a problem with your Java. Verify Java version. Okay, this happens. It needs your permission to run. And you put always run on this site or run this time, whichever your preference is. But if you do run this time, it's going to ask you every time. So anytime this comes up for the Java, including when you're printing, you have to watch for this window and give it permission to run or it won't work. It takes just a minute here, and it will go through the process and tell me my Java is up to date. They give us the pretty circles. Do I want to run this application? This stuff comes up and you have to click run on this because this is just the Java stuff. It's nothing fancy, but it needs permissions. Congratulations, there you go. You have the recommended installed Java version up to date. I'm going to put the java.com link. I'm going to get it now while I'm here. And I'm going to put it at the bottom of this video so you guys can just scoot on over. When I put this up on Smart Canucks, I will put it at the bottom of the link of the video too, so you can get it there. So if you're having trouble with the Java, you can hopefully get it fixed. And as long as all of this is done, then you go to SmartSource and print off a coupon that you'll use, a $1 coupon for something, and check it and make sure it's working. Once it's working, then you print off your high value coupon. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps somebody out there. Have a great night.